Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another small box but review video as well. And this is going to be for your Echo device, your third generation Echo Dot. And this is going to be a battery base for it, meaning that you literally can take this out on your balcony, your patio. You don't need an electronic outlet to plug into. It's going to be plugging into the battery base, which it's going to get its power from. And as long as you're within your Wi-Fi of your home, you're going to be able to operate your Echo Dot 3rd Gen. So this is by the company GGMM, and just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below the video is going to be this exact same battery base. This is going to be the black color, but I believe they also make a white one for the white Echo Dot 3rd Gen as well. I will have that again linked in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get it out. Let's go ahead and take it through the test runs. We're going to show you some examples. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy on up here. And right on the top, we have our battery base with our instruction manual below. If you are wondering, that is the model number and the size dimensions in millimeters, but it's not going to be much larger than your actual Echo Dot 3rd Gen because it does need to sit flush on the base. Now, of course, the battery inside is rechargeable, and it just gives you some instructions here with the battery percentages here. You guys can pause that. And coming over here, this is important information here. It's a 5200 milliamp rechargeable lithium ion battery. There is your operating temperature, your DC output, 12 volt, 1.25 amp. Your charging time is 3.5 hours, and your play time is about 6 hours under 100% volume and about 9 hours under 50% volume. Standby is about 13 hours for that 5200 milliamp rechargeable lithium ion battery. That is awesome for barbecues. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we have inside of this guy right here. Here we are right here, looking very smooth as well. That is a matte black finish, very sleek looking. Here are your LED indicator lights here. You just long press it to turn it on there. I do believe we need to fully charge this before we do use it for the first time. Here are your back inserts here and there, and then the top bracket here to hold it into place with your button openings here. I will grab my Echo Dot 3rd Gen in just a split second. Here's your DC in right here. That is for recharging the battery. And if you are wondering, there are some soft pads on the bottom with your GGMM logo right there, D3 model once again. So that can go ahead and just sit wherever it needs to be. On your patio table edge, your barbecue, as long as it's not too close to the barbecue. Something stainless steel or something like that. All right, so we have our 3rd Gen here, our black one. Now it's just gonna literally insert right into the back there. So obviously you just wanna line up those holes, snap it straight back. So what that's doing is that's going right into the back to draw power, as you see here, as it's getting power from this area here. Now what it's gonna do its little circle around because I pulled it off of the wall, and then it's going to connect to the internet in just a split second. So we're going to have a fully functional Echo Dot 3rd Gen here in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to say the trigger word just to show you that it does work after it has now done its little wraparound thing there for just a little bit here. Alexa, what's the weather today?
It's 72 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with a low of 60 degrees.
Awesome. Very cool, guys. As you can see here, you do have a fully functional button right up on top because it does have it right in there. Now, as you can see there, I'm holding it just like this. Now, obviously you wouldn't do that, but just showing you how it's going to be mounted in there without falling out of the battery base there. So that is awesome. Just in case if you grab that and you just put it to the side, that's going to lock in there really nicely. All of your microphone inputs are still accessible, which is great. But what is cool about that is it doesn't take up that much extra room on the bottom there. Play your workout jams while you are fully connected without worrying about fishing out an extension cord to plug in your Echo device. So I think this is actually really cool. Now, if you are wondering how to recharge the battery inside, it does say 15W right here. But if you look closely, this is the Echo Dot 3rd Gen plug that you get when you buy the Echo Dot. If you look on it right here, it says 12 volt, 1.25 amp. So this is the exact cord you need. So you don't have to go fish around for a spare cord. You simply just plug this into the back of the unit here, like you would normally, plugging it right into the back of your Echo Dot 3rd Gen. So here we are charging here. We're just gonna let that charge up and we'll take it outside. All right, guys, let's go ahead and come out to the balcony here, the patio, I should say. And we have our device sitting on the patio table right over here. Let's go ahead and get a closer look again. Completely running on battery powered right now, still within Wi-Fi range. So let's go ahead and test this out. So again, doesn't take up too much room. It is thinner than the actual Echo Dot. So we will go ahead and, sorry for a little bit of the sun rays coming through the patio here, but we will be testing this out. So let's go ahead and ask it about the weather. Alexa, what is the weather today?
Right now, it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 63 degrees.
Alexa, what day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be Saturday, July 4th, 2020.
Very cool, guys. Picks up my voice. Nothing wrong with it at all. Of course, as we already saw, the microphone inputs are on the left and right and not being blocked at all. And you can go ahead and just set it out here. We'll go ahead and play just a little bit of music, but we don't want to get a copyright strike on the video. But let's go ahead and try something right now. Alexa, play Bethel worship music on Amazon Music.
What do you want me to play?
Bethel worship.
Shuffling songs by Bethel Worship Arts on Amazon Music. By the way, you can start your day with music. Just say, wake me up to Bethel Worship Arts at 7 in the morning.
Alexa, stop. There we go. Again, we don't want to get a copyright strike on the video, but working absolutely fantastic. We're probably, I do have a mesh Wi-Fi system. We're probably about 30 to 40 feet away from that or so. So just wherever you do take this within your house, your balcony, your patio, just make sure that you are able to have your Wi-Fi being able to extend out to your device. I highly recommend a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh system connected to your cable modem router. But again, this is absolutely fantastic. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy, the mic's all yours.
What two letters rhyme the best? Jay-Z.
All right, guys, that is fantastic device. So thank you guys again so much for watching the video. And again, if your battery is getting low, just charge it back up. Look for this exact same link for this external battery pack for your Echo Dot 3rd Gen right below the video. You're gonna find the direct link for this. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you make an informed decision. Just like all my product reviews and unboxing, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do review. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, then go ahead and purchase away. Subscribe on your way out as well, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.